Are you ready to ditch the tech overwhelm and create a stunning sales page that actually converts, all without needing to be a design guru? I'm going to show you exactly how to design a high-converting sales page using the magic of Canva's drag-and-drop interface. First, head over to Canva and search for website templates. Don't worry, we're not building a whole website, just using the single-page layout as our sales page foundation. Pick a template that resonates with your brand, or start with a blank canvas for complete creative control. Once you're in the editor, think about your headline. It's the first thing people see. Make it attention-grabbing and clearly state the benefit of your product or service. Now comes the persuasive copy. Below your headline, elaborate on the problem your product solves and how it improves lives. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits, making it easy for visitors to scan. Next, add visuals. High-quality images and videos of your product in action can dramatically increase conversions. Use Canva's image library or upload your own. Now for the call to action. Design a button that screams "Click me." Use action-oriented language like "Get started today" or "Claim your discount." Make sure it stands out with a contrasting color. Don't forget social proof. Include testimonials, reviews, or case studies to build trust and credibility. These are powerful tools to convince potential customers. Finally, optimize for mobile. Ensure your sales page looks great on all devices by using Canva's mobile view. This is crucial for capturing those on-the-go buyers. Once you're happy with your design, hit that publish button. You can either host your sales page on a Canva subdomain or download it as a PDF to embed on your existing website. And that's it. You've created a stunning sales page in Canva that's ready to convert. Go get those sales.